Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on the Hugging Face list this week tackles a growing problem for AI: how to let large language model agents remember your personal details without actually exposing your private data to the cloud. Published just 3 days ago, on May 10, 2026, the paper introduces a clever workaround that limits the loss of memory utility to within 1.6%. The paper is titled MemPrivacy: Privacy-Preserving Personalized Memory Management for Edge Cloud Agents. As agents increasingly rely on persistent memory for long-term personalization in systems like LangMem and MemZero, the tension between cloud-side reasoning and keeping your personally identifiable information safe has become critical. Instead of aggressively masking data and destroying its meaning, this approach swaps sensitive details with structured placeholders right on your device. And as we will see, the way they categorize privacy levels makes this incredibly practical for real-world deployment. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. On Hugging Face, you can find the 1.7 billion and 4 billion parameter weights. These pages also include usage examples for implementing private memory management in your own agents. Figure 1 breaks down exactly how this local-to-cloud interaction compares to traditional methods. If there is no protection, the cloud gets all your raw data, exposing your privacy. Conversely, full masking just replaces your details with asterisks, which protects your data but destroys the semantic meaning, leaving the agent unable to complete the task. The rightmost panel shows the MemPrivacy approach, where the local device swaps sensitive information with typed placeholders like the Health Info 1 token. Because these placeholders maintain the context of the request, the cloud can draft a perfect response, and then your device simply restores the original details before showing you the final message. Figure 2 details the complete life cycle of this closed-loop system. First, during uplink desensitization on the trusted local device, a lightweight model identifies sensitive information. It categorizes this data across 4 privacy levels and swaps it out for typed placeholders, securely saving the original values locally. Next, the cloud processing stage receives only this desensitized text. Because the placeholders maintain the semantic context, the cloud agent can still perform reasoning and retrieve memories, while any potential attackers see only the protected tokens. Finally, in the downlink restoration phase, the device performs a quick database lookup to replace those placeholders with the raw values, presenting a seamless and personalized result to the user. To train models for that local desensitization, Table 1 introduces MemPrivacy Bench. The overall scale section shows the training set covers 160 users, generating over 125,000 privacy instances. The bottom rows then categorize these instances by privacy levels 2, 3, and 4, which ensures the models learn to properly flag a wide variety of data, ranging from generic preferences to highly sensitive credentials. Table 2 tests how well these models extract sensitive information. In the bottom section, the specialized MemPrivacy models achieve F1 scores, a standard measure of accuracy, of up to 86%. This noticeably outperforms the general models in the top half, such as GPT 5.2, which fail to match that precision. Efficiency is also key here, because the MemPrivacy models process requests in under 3 seconds, making them highly practical for edge devices. Table 4 reveals the practical impact of these methods across 3 memory systems. Irreversible masking significantly degrades performance, seen in the large negative accuracy drops, because it destroys semantic context. While untyped placeholders improve things slightly, the MemPrivacy approach is the clear winner. By using structured placeholders, the MemPrivacy model keeps the accuracy drop under 2%, even when protecting most sensitive data. It also outperforms general models like GPT 5.2, which struggle to balance strict privacy with reliable memory retrieval. To understand how the system prioritizes protection, Table 7 defines the 4 privacy levels and their handling policies. Level 1 covers low-sensitivity personalization data, like general preferences, which are permitted for long-term memory. Level 2 involves directly identifiable personal information, which is disallowed by default. Level 3 escalates to highly sensitive personal data, where storage requires strict encryption. Finally, Level 4 designates confidential credentials and secrets, which are absolutely prohibited from entering the model's memory under any circumstances. Wrapping up, the main takeaway is that this framework successfully decouples privacy protection from semantic loss. It proves we can deploy highly personalized, cloud-assisted agents without sacrificing user security. That wraps up this look at privacy-preserving memory. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.